Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video we'll be doing a how to apply foil to the nail. As you can see here, my little model. If you guys are wondering where this stand is from and everything that I used, I will have it linked down below in the description. On my social media will also be linked down below in the description. Do not forget to check that out. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to turn on the bell so you can get notified every time I upload. And let's get on with the video. So here, as you can see here in this model, I did use gel polish on here. And if you guys are wondering what gel polish I used, it's the NCLA Not So Sweet. I got this in a nail boxy, so I will make sure to link down below the nail boxy that I got it in. If you guys want the color, or just want to try out nail boxy, I will have it linked down below in the description. And if you guys are wondering where my stand is from, it will also be linked down below in the description in a nail haul that I did not that long ago, like maybe like a month or two ago. So we'll have that linked down below in the description. And the nail foils that I will be using are these right here. These I got off Amazon. So the one I will be using is this one right here. It looks like this, and I'm gonna just put it on the nail. So if you guys are wondering where I got this from, I will have my Amazon list down below in the description, so do not forget to check that out. And the moment y'all all been waiting for is, what nail foil do I use? And I use the Macart Nail Art Foil Glue. This is what I use to apply my foil. So I will be showing you guys how I do it. So I am gonna add a layer of the glue to the nail so that the foil has something to stick on, obviously. And you do not want to add too much, because a little does go a long way. I'm gonna clean the sides. Oh my god, y'all, I just dropped it. Didn't really ruin the nail, but still looks A1. So I will be curing this for 60 seconds. So after it is done curing for 60 seconds, you could cure it as long as you want. Sometimes I do cure it for 30 seconds, or if not 60 seconds. It doesn't really matter, but you just want to have it cured, and this is what it looks like. So then after, you do want to make sure you have your image that you want to put on the nail of your foil. So I'm kind of leaning for like this right here. I don't know, I think it'd be cute, but let me show y'all. I'm not sure. Or like that. I think I'm gonna just go like this. Make sure that it is straight and even. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure to press down. So if you're doing this on a client, you want to make sure that your client is, helping you out too, because you want to make sure that their nail is nice and straight and even. Well, not their nail, but like when they're placing their finger, if you know what I mean. So then once you just want to start rubbing on the nail, making sure that you get every tiny bit of foil. Making sure that you get all the sides, because you do not want to have no ugly sides. Wait, no, this got unsticky. So all you literally want to do is rub on the nail. as much as you can. Apply a lot of pressure. Like so. You want to make sure that you get every single little side. So once you think that you grabbed every little bit, you just slowly want to start peeling it. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So you just slowly want to start peeling the nail. And once you're doing that, you want to make sure to look that nothing is still sticking onto it. So as you can see right there, I can see a tiny little bit. So I'm gonna go back in and rub that again right there where the leaf is at, just to make sure that you want to grab every single bit. So as you can see right there, I'm gonna go back up and rub it again, because you want to grab every single foil. Okay, keep going. Okay, wait. See this little side right there? It's not getting it, so I'm gonna rub my finger so I could grab that little side. And with this, you definitely want to take your time with it, because you do want it to look perfect as possible, because you know you do want to make sure your application of foil is good. So I'm gonna keep rubbing it even though it doesn't want to come off. Okay, so look over here. I'm gonna rub it again. Like I said, you want to get everything on the nail. Okay, so here I'm gonna rub this. The key to this is rubbing the foil onto the nail. So here you can see I'm going in again, and that little piece, rub it. It won't stick. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. And then I'm gonna go back up and rub it again. Because like I said, you want to make sure that it sticks onto the nail. It's still not sticking on, y'all. So like I said, you definitely want to take your time with it, because it's not always going to come out perfect. And it's just like a trial and error type of thing. So you definitely want to take your time. As you can see, so that little piece didn't stick. So what I'm going to do is grab a little bit of my glue. Place it on there. Anywhere else that you need to apply. Here. And right here. So what I'm gonna do is stick the nail in like this, pull it back, and stick it in to cure it for 30 seconds. So that's what I mean when I cure for 60 seconds, 30 seconds, it just depends. So I'm going to go back in and rub it. And the spots that needed to be rubbed. Like pull back. And I'm gonna keep rubbing till it sticks on, because it could get really like annoying and tedious, but at the end of the day, you gotta satisfy your client, making sure that everything looks really good. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Here, as you can see, some of that tack stayed on. Take it off. So here, as you can see, and I'm just gonna simply keep going down. Okay, here I gotta go up again. Okay, so here, as you can see, this is how it looks. It is sticky, so I'm trying to be very, very careful with it. I'm gonna put it back on its stand. So this is what it looks like, as you can see. So as you can see here, it does have like a little missing spot. So I am gonna go back in with my nail foil glue and simply just apply it in the spots that needs to be gone in with again. So like right here in this corner. And I think that's it. Everything else I got. So I am gonna be curing this for 30 seconds. And while that's curing, I'm going to flip my thingy. And I'm going to go back in so I could get the following. Right here, this little piece right there, and this little piece of leaf. So with this, I'm going to be very, very gentle, because I'm going to go in fast and simply just apply it. So as you can see, the spot isn't there no more. And then I'm gonna go in with my leaf here. Making sure that it is even. And see, like sometimes you have to really, really rub it. And simply just keep going. So there it goes. And it is on there. And it looks so, so bomb. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. A little up close. Ignore my nails, y'all. But it looks bomb. So like I said, this takes, you know, it might take a while, but I'll definitely have to say one big tip is to practice you applying the foil. It's not always going to be perfect, and that's completely fine. But I am going to go in with my Nailz Supply Glamour Diamond Gel Top Coat. I haven't used it in a while, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to use it. It's so dirty. I need to get a new one, but I don't think I have any in here. But we're still going to use it, because there's some in there. So I'm gonna add a layer of top coat to this so it could be nice and shiny. Oh my god, there's a hair. Y'all, I hate little pieces of hair. There goes another one. You have to keep going like this to get the product out. As you can see. So like I said, I'm gonna add a layer to the nail. As you can see, like so. I'm just gonna clean the sides. And another tip I did want to give you guys, somebody had asked me if when you're applying crystals, do you add the crystals first or the foil? And definitely if you're doing something like this where it's the full nail, I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. I definitely suggest to do the foil first and then apply the crystals, especially because the crystals might get in the way depending on the crystal design also and the foil design. So it's completely up to you, as your opinion and how you want to do it. Everybody does it different. This is just how I do it. And I did see a lot of y'all request to do a foil, how to apply the foil. So again, I do go in with the Macart Nail Art Foil Glue. I will have everything that I used linked down below in the description, the top coat, the foil, and the foils. If you guys are interested, also in the stand and my UV lamp, I will try to link the UV lamp to my Amazon list so you guys can purchase it. And it is fun. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff down below in the description. And support your girl. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys recreate this, or you guys like how I do it, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I want to see you guys do a foil design. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.